Alright, this is 411 Bell Point Drive. 411 Bell Point Drive. And we're marking out the sewer here for the kitchen. I just wanted to get on video how much cast iron scale was in this pipe. So this is from the house sitting vacant for a while. Before the remodel's done, I would strongly consider having this place jetted to remove all of this debris that's in here. So I'm just marking these lines out. This is coming over to the bathroom on the left-hand side of the house. See how much debris we have in here. All that needs to be removed because it's gonna cause problems. Alright, so I'm coming out of the closet flange. This is on the left side of the house. Alright, this is the toilet on the right hand side of the house. Figured we'd see how much debris we have in this side too. It's going to be consistent with the other side. So there's our combo coming from the other bathroom. Let's put this right in this 90 right here. Alright, I've got where we need to tie in the kitchen sink located. So I'm just going to record all this debris that we have in the line. Definitely would jet the whole house out before putting it into service. And coming back up, this is the right side toilet. I'm going to conclude the video.